Want to share your favorite photos, videos, or memories on Instagram? Posting on Instagram is quick and easy once you know where everything is. Whether you're uploading a single photo, a video, or a carousel with multiple images, this guide will walk you through every step. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone and sign in to your account if you haven't already. On the home screen, look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom center or top of the screen, depending on your app version. Tap it to open Instagram's content creation menu, then choose Post from the available options such as Story, Reel, or Live. Step 2. Instagram will display your device's photo gallery. Browse through your images and videos, then tap the one you want to upload. If you would like to share several photos or videos in a single post, tap the Select Multiple option and choose up to 20 items to create a carousel. Once you've selected everything you want, tap Next in the upper right corner. Step 3. Before publishing, Instagram lets you improve your media. You can apply one of the built-in filters for a different look or manually adjust settings like brightness, contrast, warmth, highlights, and saturation. If you want your post to be more engaging, tap the music icon to add a popular soundtrack. You can also insert text overlays or make other creative edits. When you're happy with the result, tap Next to continue. Step 4. Now it's time to complete your post. Write an interesting caption that tells people about your photo or video. Include 3 to 5 relevant hashtags to help your content reach a larger audience. You can also tag people to mention friends, creators, or business accounts. If your post relates to a specific place, choose Add Location to improve visibility for nearby users. Step 5. Before sharing, review your privacy and interaction settings. You can disable comments, hide like counts, or choose whether to cross-post the content to Facebook or Threads. After confirming everything looks good, tap the share button. That's it. Your Instagram post is now live and visible to your followers. Continue posting consistently, use high-quality images, write engaging captions, and interact with comments to grow your audience and improve your overall Instagram presence.